Hello everyone, Art for Kids here. Today we're gonna draw Elf on the Shelf. Leave a comment below and I will shoot you out on my next video. Do elf arrive in your home? Most of the elf leave the North Pole to join our family. Did you name your elf? If yes, what's the name? You need to name your elf to activate the magic. With fair amount of magic, they fly back to the North Pole every night. Elf letting Santa Claus know who's been naughty or nice. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe with notification bell so you will not miss any new video. Do not touch the elf, they can lose the magic power. Let me know in the comments below, do you like Christmas? If yes, what do you like most? If you want, you can write letter to Santa and you can give to your elf. And your elf, they will give it to Santa for you. Well done, you draw very well. And all good things come to the end. Your elf, they will go back in 24th of December, day before Christmas, to go back to the North Pole to help Santa with the presents. Now coloring time. Red. Paint slowly and be careful to don't go out from the lines. What's your favorite color? Leave a comment down below. Oh, nice! I like your color. My favorite color is green. Leave a comment if it's anything else you would like me to draw. What color you think there will be next? Brown. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe. This color they call mud. Keep going, you do very well. What colors did you choose for painting? Did you choose same like me? Fish. Almost finished. Well done, your picture is beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, you want to check one of these videos I have for you down below, or in the end of the video, click one and I will see you there.